Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about plant pathology. Plant pathology is the field of agriculture that deals with the study of plant disease and plant disorder. Plant disease can result in the loss of millions of pounds of food crops each year. Disease can decimate forests and disease can scar urban and suburban landscapes. Plant diseases are caused most often by pathogens. Pathogens are infectious germs like bacteria or viruses that attack and damage plants. People who study and work to cure these diseases are called plant pathologists. Their success can mean the difference between feast and famine. Plant pathologists figure out how to prevent plant disease by understanding what they are, what causes them, and why they occur. And many plant pathologists define plant disease in similar way to how farmers describe them. A plant disease is a condition where plant cells and tissues grow or function abnormally, and this condition often develops symptoms. Plant disease symptoms include leaf spots, yellowing or browning of tissues, wilting, or sometimes plant will not grow as quickly and produce as many leaves, flowers, or fruit as other plants. Living organisms that cause plant disease are called pathogens, and there are so many different types of pathogens. The top plant pathogens include fungi, bacteria, viruses, and some very small worms called nematodes. Plant disease can also be caused by non-living organisms. Plant disease caused by non-living things are called abiotic disease and are commonly caused by weather, soil, or nutritional problems. I hope so viewers, this video will be helpful for you. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel.